Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the email notifications on your Nike account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in nike.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Nike website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken back into the homepage. Now, if you wish to turn off any email notifications that you are receiving from the Nike app or the website, then click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account Settings. Now, from the Account Settings page, go ahead and click on Communication Preferences. And now, if the Yes, Send Me Emails box is checked, make sure to tap on it and keep it unchecked. After unchecking this box, click on the Save button. And now you will not receive any more notifications within your email from the Nike website or application, and you can come back to this menu at any point of time in the future if you wish to re-enable the notifications for the best offers. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications that you receive within your email from the Nike website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.